Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of disabling email notifications in the PUMA app. If you're receiving unwanted promotional emails from PUMA, this step-by-step guide will help you opt out and regain control. First, open the PUMA app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, from the menu, click on My Profile. After that, tap on Newsletter. Here, you'll find your email subscription preferences. Now, choose No, I would not like to receive emails from PUMA. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping the Submit button. This will update your preferences and stop promotional emails from PUMA. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled email notifications in the PUMA app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.